call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god.
Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Oh, tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
You call me a god. You call me a god.
Working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny.
Balik naman yung ano sa ayaw.
May isang pinuntahan yung tatay nito na ano, naka-ano lang sila, open. Anytime daw pwedeng may pumasok na ano na yung isa sa kanila parang pick up siya pero open hanggang driver. Di drive daw nila. Oo, tapos sabi anytime daw dun sa place na yun may lumalabas daw na tigre, na leon, mga ganyan. Unggoy sa lugar pa lang nila sa New Delhi.
Unggoy is like best friend. Unggoy is everywhere.
That's your best friend.
Yeah. Unggoy is everywhere.
Bigla silang tinampan.
You know, we go to Delhi University. It's a university area. There is big universities. People come from abroad to study there. And you know, when I take her, we are standing behind, there is Unggoy. She's telling me, what is this? This is full family here. I said they come to study here.
Pagdating po ng police station, kakaliwa po kayo.
Kabisado ko yun.
Signage po ang seaside sa right corner ng kalsada.
Kabisado ko yun.
Sige.
Kugit. Kugit ba? Papuntang ano yun? Papuntang Arvin Resort.
Pagkatapos sila nandun sila ni CJ. Vibes yan dalawa eh.
Sasama yun?
Andun nga.
Ay, ang dalawa yan, di yan nag-iwalay.
Para mag-jowa eh.
Buwa yata yun.
Si Angel.
Pagkatapos, sabi ko yan, kapag tatarabawin ko si Ayan, Ayan, gawin mo nga ito. Papayaran kita. Pagkatapos yan, parang alok pa. May hindi, parang may kasama. Ay, sige lang.
from the movie King Kong.
Godzilla the other side.
Yeah.
King Kong versus Godzilla.
I miss.
Hindi pa yan. Ayaw rin yan.
And we go zigzag.
Laban na zigzag.
Wala ka.
Oy, ba, yung iin mo. Nagsisigsag kita. Sasaritaon mo yung kaiba mo. Gusto nila magpapicture. Dahil sa sigsag kita.
Stop. Stop at the market.
Yeah. The zig and the zag mountain. Oy.